Hi everyone, PK is out right now, but when he comes back, he's gonna do a quick Instagram unboxing. One of his followers from Instagram made him a customized shoes. So I'll be videotaping, but he doesn't know that he's gonna be unboxing 3 more. I asked him for his Christmas wish list. I asked him to name 3 things, and so that I can pick one. But what he doesn't know is he's going to get all 3 of them. So once again, instead of getting 1, he's getting 3, and he doesn't have to wait for Christmas because he's getting them today. Let's go.
20 minutes later.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi mga best friend! This is just a quick video, unboxing video, and also I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you kay Viorani Sneakers. Yeah, Viorani Sneakers. Viorani Sneakers mga kaibigan, siya po ay gumagawa ng mga customized sneakers, and they are made in Italy. And naswertehan po ng Pambansang kalbo na mabigyan po ako ng isang customized sneakers from Viorani. So let's check it out kung ano yung ginawa sa akin ni Viorani. Ayan. This is the box. Ayan. And look at that, guys. The logo is right there. And I also have my name right there. And it says right here, it's made in Italy. Ayan, oh. Diba? Ang lupet. Ayan. And also, yung box nito, napakaganda. It's magnetic. Oh. So, let's open it. Ayan. Ay, uy! Ayan. Tingnan nyo po mga kaibigan. Ito po ang ginawa sa akin, ang ginawa para sa akin ni Viorani Sneakers. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And look at my logo. It's right there. Diba? It's right there. Diba? Napakaganda. And also, kung Marites, makikita ba? It says right there, it says made in Italy. Yan. Yan ang best part kasi it's made in Italy, hindi made in China, made in Vietnam. This is made in Italy. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yung factory nito is tabi lang ng mga factory ng Gucci, mga ganyan, mga Louis Vuitton, all those good shit. Kaya mga kaibigan, kung gusto niyo if you want customized sneakers, all you have to do is message Viorani Sneakers on Instagram. Okay? Thank you!